Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to have the classic version of MS Paint back to Windows 10. Recently I bought a new laptop and since my son is very fond of doing things in the classic version of MS Paint, he was trying to do something with the paint and he couldn't find it. And since Windows 10 has only the 3D version of paint, and my son was having a lot of complaint because he was not satisfied with the 3D version. And so I was trying to search it everywhere in the Google and in the YouTube as well, and I found out that most of the guys were suggesting to have make some kind of downloads and even make some changes in the registry. And since I'm a non-techie guy and it was kind of a little bit difficult for me, so I tried to search by myself if I can find the old version of MS Paint in the computer or even some kind of easy tutorials online. So I found out while searching, actually it's very simple. You just need to go to the search box and type R or run and type MS Paint in this search box and either click on OK or hit the enter button in the keyboard, and here it goes. The hidden MS Paint is back. And if you want to have this in your taskbar, you just simply go to this icon over here and right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. So even after you close this window, you can have the icon here on the taskbar and you can click on it and open it whenever you want. And there's also another way you can find it. Go to this window icon over here, and Windows has hidden it within the Windows accessories. So let's go to Windows accessories, click on it, and here it goes. They have hidden it here. So if you click on it, so let me first unpin this one from the taskbar, and if you click on it, you can open it, and if you right click on it, you will have this option again here. Go to more and pin to taskbar, and here it comes here. So you see, it's such a simple method. I don't know why people are suggesting to download softwares and make some changes in the registry just simply to have the MS Paint, the classic version of MS Paint back to Windows. So it's such a simple, you can simply do it. Try it, and I hope you like the video. Thank you.